Today we are now checking out of our hotel in Nagoya and heading to Shibuya in Tokyo.
Let's go, Tokyo!
We need two tickets to Tokyo. Yeah.
Justin got me the diet version. My vegetarian exam turned out to be not vegetarian.
So sad.
So this is a good decent sized area. Big sink.
Yay.
We've got, this is a decent stovetop. It's not bad.
Yeah,
It's not like a, you know.
little fan thing going on.
Got some dishes, some chopsticks, some cups. That's nice. Storage space.
Nice. Got some pots and
Do we have any soap?
I guess not.
And of course,
And we have this too.
yes,
That one.
that's the kettle that we were checking out, right? The
Yeah.
Lomita. Microwave, which is nice.
My fridge.
Refrigerator, freezer. Okay, so yeah, I won't be using this thing for my hair. Panasonic blow dryer, that would not have worked with my thing at all. Yeah, a Dyson vacuum, and Panasonic iron, and shower. Again, without any toiletries whatsoever. It's a lump. I think it's bigger than the previous showers that we've been in.
Yeah, it's bigger than that one.
Right? And
And toilet.
already, outfits are very different here.
So we've now checked into the Airbnb service apartment. It's not as nice as the Harajuku one could have been, but it's still pretty great, and it's free, which is awesome.
Huge glass right there.
Yep.
And we're thinking about buying a lamp to try to brighten the place up. Little things that I think will be good.
Yeah, there's no soap or no towels, so it's a little bit weird, but we're going to get some veggie food now and then go eat. The vegetarian place, so we're gonna get some food.
Excited.
There's a lot of vegetarian options here too, which is good.
We can definitely come back. It's like a delicious tomato soup. Huh?
Maybe.
I'm saying brown rice is a special treat for me.
Well, that was good.
Delicious.
And now we're gonna go get some food from the supermarket and then head back. And get a camera.
So we're just packing up the grocery that has been semi-packed for us. You know, it's consistent.
It's its own bagging area.
Yeah.
They transfer the carts from the red one to the yellow one, so they know that we paid.
Signify that we paid.
Yay! Grocery achievement unlocked. Everyone is playing Pokemon Go right now. This is crazy. Literally everyone is playing. Like everybody. So I bought it. I did a little bit crazy. Got the Peter McKinnon special. So I ended up buying a camera, the 85mm and a extra spare battery because it dies a lot. So let's test this baby out. And cue the B-roll.